Sugarland. Come on in and have a tour of this beautiful home. This home has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a beautiful outdoor area with a saltwater pool and a lake with 44 acres, lake in Venetian Estates. Over to the kitchen. Everything has been updated. The home was built in 2003, has 3,900 square foot, and look at this beautiful granite. All the doors, soft closing. Kitchen. You can go to the formal dining area, which has beautiful space for 6 to 8 people to have a nice dinner evening. From the dining room, you'll go back into the family room and see those high ceilings. That's really great for a ranch home. And everything is wired with a speaker system in the house. The family room also has a beautiful fireplace surrounded with marble tiles. Over here to the left, when you enter, you have the formal dining room, formal living room that is now used as an office. From here, from the family room, which has so much space, it's great for entertaining. We are going to the right side of the house is your master bedroom. Imagine waking up to this view every morning. So you have the lake, it's a 44-acre lake, or you have your saltwater pool. You have the beautiful view in the morning and when the sun comes out. We go to the master bathroom, which has an amazing bathtub and shower. Look at this. There's space for 2 in the shower and in the bathtub. And the beautiful light fixtures. Master bathroom, sink and vanity area. If you want a second master sink, we have on this side extra plumbing so you can install a new sink on this side. To the left, we have 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms on this side of the house. This is a terracotta bathroom. It's once really pretty sink, wonderful granite. There's a full bathtub here, and you can go outside to go in the pool, or if you are outside, you can go inside to use the restroom or the shower. Okay, and now we go to another bedroom, which has a single bathroom attached. So this is a great size room. It's a king-size bed, fits in here. The closet is on the front, and here is the sliding door to the pool area, and you have your own private bath bedroom. We're going to bedroom number 3. It's a great size room too. This is like a queen size bed, so you still have enough space. The cabinets slightly. So here we have bedroom number 3. The closet has sliding doors, and we also have the speakers surround sound system, which we have in every room in this gorgeous house. bed has a great sized bedroom, has a walk-in closet, and their own private bathroom. Again, with beautiful granite, master with a shower, and also a door to the hallway. So now I want to show you bedroom number 5. Next to the master, this is my favorite room. It has great size, it has also speakers again, nice ceiling fan, and the beautiful view to the pool again and the lake. So this to wake up to is just gorgeous. It also has a private bathroom. The bathroom has a full tub and really pretty granite too. So that's the inside tour. Now I want to show you outside. A saltwater pool. The pool is surfaced with pebble check. We have a remote control for the water features, and they also have fire features for the evenings if you sit outside here. And then just look at this beautiful view from the pool to the lake. Down at the lake you have a fishing pier, and you can also take your boat on a cruise on the 44-acre lake. Here you can sit in the evening with a nice little fire and do s'mores in the evening and enjoy the view again from that nice lake. You can also go fishing in the evening and maybe grill your fish here. Look at this gorgeous view. Who doesn't want to wake up to this every morning? So if you're coming back to the house, we have 230 homes in Venetian Estates. Most are built in the 1960s, but now you see more and more that homes are remodeled or rebuilt or totally new construction, and prices up to $2 million in Venetian Estate. So come to Venetian Estate and enjoy the lifestyle.